This is another great example for you of how to pivot data and do it per quarter. Check out this quarterly report.
We're going to do another pivot and get our claims per quarter. So let's get the claim amount, the claim date, and put it into claim temp, a temporary table from our claims table. So we've got this information captured. Now that we've got the temporary table and the data in there, we're going to select from that temporary table the year. We're going to then qpivot 1, qpivot 2, 3, and 4 as quarters 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we will select the year of claim date, as we called it year. We're going to get a date part. We want the quarter of claim date. We'll call that quarter. We're going to sum the claim amount, call it sum claims, from our temporary table, and we'll group by the year of claim date and the quarter. So we're grouping by both the year and the quarter. Now we're going to pivot sum claims for the quarters in 1, 2, 3, and 4. Execute in parallel because we have temporary table. And now let's run this. We're going to execute pivot claims, and this will pivot exactly like we expect. There's our year, 2014, 15, 16, and 17, and then this is what we did for each quarter of those years. And that's how you pivot. Use the keyword pivot from that temporary table. This is going to take you a long way. It's a thing of beauty.
Okay, now you pivot fans, we're going to pivot data now per year, each year on its own line, and on each line it's going to be month by month, January, February, March. Here you go.
Here's another way to pivot in terms of months. We're going to do year and month. So we're going to get the claim amount and the claim date, put it in a temporary table called claim temp, where the claim date year is 2014, 15, and 16. So that is going to create and populate our temporary table. Now we're going to select the year of claim date and call it year. We're going to get the month of claim date using the date name command and call it month. We'll sum the claim amount, okay, from our sum of claims claim temp. And now we're going to group by the year and the month. So each year and month change, we're going to group. Now we're going to pivot our sum of claims, that's what we called that in our claim temp, for the months in January, February, March, April, May, all the way to December. Now, sum of claims is going to be what we pull from, and that's why we have all our months here. Let's create this. We'll have to create this in parallel because we have temporary table. It's created. All we have to do is execute this, and we'll get the years of 2014, 15, and 16, and what we did of the sum of claims per month as well. And there we go. We have our years, and this is what we did claims-wise for January, February, all the way to December in all 3 of those years. That's how you pivot like a pro.
This lesson is brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. Serving the data warehousing needs of the world for 20 years. Check out coffingdw.com for more information.